To add a new lead to REIFlow, go to the Leads app, click on Add Lead, and then before you do anything, make sure to click Save Lead first. What this does is it triggers all the automations that pre-populate the fields. So what gets pre-populated is a property record gets created, a blank one. A contact field gets created. The status field is set to active. The stage field is set to new lead. Date originated is set to the current date. And now this lead is set up for you to enter in data. The first thing you'll want to do is enter in the property address. So you click into the property record, which was created in the Properties app, and then link back. We'll enter in an address. This is an autocomplete field, so if you see the address you want, you can just select it. Pre-populates the map, creates the map. This property record is sort of a dashboard for the property. If you need to enter in additional property details, you'll have to create a detail record. For this video, I'm going to go back to the lead by clicking the navigation and then enter in the contact information for this lead. Email address. You can enter in multiple email addresses. And the phone number. Just like the email address, you can enter in multiple phone numbers by clicking Add Another. If you have a mailing address, this type field is for the property. Let's go back to the lead. So now we have a property and contact for this lead. Additional fields set up are status, set to active. We have motivation level. This you'll set after you talk to the seller and determine what their actual motivation level is. So say for this lead, they're motivated. And then you'll see that there's an automation set up that triggers off motivated that changes the stage of this lead to pursuing. So that means this lead is no longer just in a neutral state where it's a new lead. You want to go ahead and pursue it, so it changes the stage to pursue. Now we want to set a time where we follow up with this lead. We want to follow up in 1 week. By clicking this, it triggers an automation that adds a new task to your calendar that will remind you to follow up with this lead in 1 week. Down here in the lead data section, you have marketing source, so we can keep track of where this lead came from. This lead came from a direct mail. The type of a lead, it's an absentee. The date originated, which came in today, and the entry type was manual. So that's the basics for creating a lead through the system manually. In other videos, we'll show you how to import leads and also bring in leads directly from your website.